Hi everybody, and welcome to today's elevaTOURS by DieselDucy unboxing. Yeah, unfortunately I forgot DieselDucy. We have a rather big item here, and this came to us from an elevator technician, I believe in Indiana. So we're going to go ahead and, I guess, destroy this box to get it open. See if I have anything to cut. Yes, I do have cutters. Kind of need these to cut it. There we go, a little at a time. We'll definitely speed this up. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting it undone. He packed it well. It's definitely packed well. We're going to cut some of this out, no pun intended. Oh, this is packed really well. Let's see if it'll come out now. I think I can get rid of the main box now. This is going to be heavy and generate a lot of trash. Wow, we got some moving supplies here maybe. Don't want to cut these blankets because these can be reused. Wow. This was packed really well. Alright, this trash is going to go out onto the cart. Make sure the camera's not moving. Yep, you can see me. Alright, oh wow. We're starting to see what we're going to see here. This is all bubble wrap. Oh wow, looks like everything made it here. I don't know, we'll see here in a minute. I know one of the items is kind of fragile. We're about to see one of them here in a minute. Alright, moment of truth. Here comes some of it. Oh, it's heavy. Alright, let me see if I can pull it out. I don't want to break it. I think these two are separate. No, it's not ready to come out yet. I think you're starting to see what this is. Something we've kind of needed probably here at the museum. Oh. He taped it up really well. This is kind of a fragile item. Anyone who knows anything about elevators is going to know that this item, let's try to lift it out now. I think it came out. There's the first item, and it's upside down, naturally. Leave it to me to pull it out upside down. Let's see if I can turn it right side up without breaking it. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. All the key switches are down there, dangling. It appears to be complete. Jason might have to come work on this, but all the buttons press. That's right. We got a 3300 panel there. That's not it. I think we have something else in here. and leave it to me to get them out upside down. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I was right. It is missing one button, but that's something that can be fixed. Let us pull this thing out. Oh. Oh. All right. I think some stuff might be caught on it. Oh wow, this looks like it's new old stock. So we'll go ahead and flip it up. Don't want to break it. Oh, just hit the tripod and sliced my finger. Set it over here for now. That's right. Another Schindler 3300 panel. Alright, let us go through here and make sure we got all the stuff. We can save the packing material. Oh. Don't need bubble wrap. I can throw that away. I believe everything made it here. Let me just double check and make sure everything's out of here. Yep. And now we can take the shrink wrap off this. It's shrink wrap still. Wow, I guess this is brand new. It's got a mounting bracket. Does it have keys? I don't know. I don't know if it has keys or not. Yeah, this still has the shrink wrap on it. Wow. I'll peel this off the photos. Yeah, it's still got the shrink wrap on it. I'll be darned. New old stock 3300, just missing a phone button. All it's missing is the phone button. This is pretty darn cool. It's got some screws. Might be some keys in here, I can't tell. Only thing it doesn't have is the phone button. That can probably easily be taken care of. Yeah. This is this is pretty cool. Alright, now we'll clean up the mess. So yeah, we got two amazing Schindler 3300 panels. This is an older one in used condition. This one is brand new. Still has the shrink wrap on it. Yeah, I'm not going to peel the shrink wrap off. Yeah, it's still got the shrink wrap on it. So that's pretty darn cool. So, you know who you are, who sent this to me. Huge thank you. Love it. Thank you so much.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.